above our starting point, 35 metres. This then runs as far as Edinburgh, which, if you were to sail there today, would take about 9 or 10 hours. Carried canal traffic up and down between here and the Forth and Clyde Canal below. And from that level, 2 locks up from here, the Union Canal stretches all the way to Edinburgh. Okay, as we're coming towards the end of our time on this level, I just have time to share some of the facts and figures of the Falkirk Wheel.
Faslane, perhaps on the Forth and Clyde just now, but their feathers are just turning from grey to white. Maybe.
Hurry up, Raja.
Oh, Senator.
এটা কি বাবা ওই যে ইউকর্ন না ইউনিকর্ন না কি জানি
Kelpie. Let me see into the Kelpie.
এটাই কেলপি
Mommy, can you buy me? One book.
কেন খাওয়াইবা নাকি গাড়িতে
গাড়িতে
গাড়ি তোলা আর কি তারা পুরো
One book.
হ্যাঁ only one box even half box
Hi. I'm very wet. What did all this skip?
aż tak
No zwłaszcza, że nie mamy aż takiej czaczy. Drogie. I
This one, Rajan, look.